y'all, so today I did a drugstore makeup look using only drugstore products. Everything's under $10, and I made it into like a fall look. And like I said, everything that I use, including the brushes, are all under $10, and I will make sure that I link some of them down in the description box. But if I can't link all of it, most of it you can get from like Walmart, Ulta, your local beauty supply store, just anywhere that has cheap makeup, y'all. I'm telling you, you can beat your face without going to Sephora and breaking the bank. But if you like this look and you want to see how I did it, then please keep on watching. So I'm coming on here with my brows already done because I hate doing my brows on camera. But I'm gonna tell you what I use. Everything, like I said, everything I use is under $10. I use this e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade Natural Brown. I use this to just carve out my brows. I use this to carve out like under here and just a little bit on the top. And then to fill them in, I use the Makeup Revolution brow pomade. It's all beat up, but it's in the shade dark brown. In the shade dark brown. This, I think this was $6, and I think this is $3. Concealer. I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Caramel to conceal my brows. Use this brush to blend it out. This is a brush brand called Dewy. Now I'm going to take that Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and that I use to conceal my brows, and I'm going to take it and just put it all over my eyes. And what I'm going to do is blend it with a beauty blender, but I gotta go wet my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this beauty blender that I used to blend out my eye concealer is from EcoTools. I think that's what the brand is called. And let me zoom y'all in so y'all can get into the eye look. So I zoomed y'all in so y'all can get into the eye look, but we're gonna be using the Makeup Revolution. Let me put it up so y'all can see. The Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality Palette. And I'm going to take this brown shade right here and put that all in my crease. I'm going to drag it down to like right up in this area. Next, I'm going to be taking a small blending brush and I'm going to go into this lighter brown shade right here and blending this brown out with it. And then, last but not least, I'm not even going to cut my crease. I'm just going to take, this is like a bronze, it has little shimmers in it. Don't know if you can tell, but it does have little shimmers in it. This color right here. And I'm just going to place that all over the lid. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be back. Now, I thought I didn't have a drugstore mascara, but I found one by Beauty Treats, and it's called Lash Queen Mascara. So my nose is very oily. So what I like to do before I even put on any kind of makeup, before I prime, before I do any of that, I like to take this Essence All About Matte setting powder, and I take a big fluffy setting brush, just dig in it and just put it all over my nose. So to moisturize, I'm going to go in with my Nivea Skin Cream. Yes. Okay, so once I do that, now that our face is good and moisturized, I like to take my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. For foundation, I will be going into the CoverGirl True Blend MatteMade Foundation in the shade D40. It's the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealers. And I have the shade Deep Olive and Deep Chestnut. And this dries down really quickly. And so what I like to do is go right in with my Beauty Blender. I'm going to go back in with the Makeup Revolution palette and take the brown shade, of course, and put it underneath my eyes. So I've done my under eyes. Now what I'm going to do, so now we're going to cream contour with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C18. I'm going to take a Real Techniques medium sculpting brush to blend it out. To set our cream contour, I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in the shade Ebony Browns. And we're going to set with the Maybelline FitMe Pressed Powder in the shade 320 Natural Tan. So next I will be using blush. I'm going to be taking my Amuse Cosmetics blush and just placing that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set Spray. So for highlight, I'm going to be taking two things for highlight. I'm going to be taking my Beauty Treats Way to Glow highlighting powder, and then over top of that, I'm going to take the little bittiest amount and go into this LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer, and this is called Gold Dust. I'm going to go back in with that Makeup Revolution palette that we use, and believe it or not, this is how I do a lot of my lipsticks. Because I be wanting them to match the eye. And so I'm going to take a little bit of that brown and just... So for inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm going to take that same color that I use for inner corner highlight. And we are done with the look. Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, comment down below more videos you want to see, and subscribe to me. I love y'all and thank you. See you in the next one, God's willing. Mwah.